To Oscar AHA, and today we are here again to announce something very special with you all. So, since one thing is very common for Oscar AHA, कि Oscar AHA में selections होती रहती हैं, right? So just to witness the same thing again, we are here. So I want you all to join me. So please do follow me. Hello, everybody. Okay, so guys, the moment is here again. Are you all excited?
Yes!
मैं तो बहुत हूँ, but I have a surprise for you all. So please, let's welcome the surprise. Please join me here on the stage. Okay. Okay. If you are wondering, who is she? Guys, ये वो बच्चा है जिसका नेम हमने बहुत बार हमारे सेरेमनीज में लिया है. She is Sunidhi and she's a crew with Akasa Air. And she has come to meet us today. आप में से काफी लोग जानते हैं?
Yes.
So you can meet your friends. There are few out here.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, so Sunidhi has come on a very special day. So, Sunidhi, we welcome you, darling, and thank you so much for coming in an Akasa uniform. Love you, Peter.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so please do join us. Now, moving further. Guys, please, ye open kar do, beta. Open the door. Yes. Okay. So now I'm coming to the point जिसकी वजह से हम आज यहाँ इस सेरेमनी को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. So I want you all to put your hands together for that one person who is selected, and ही तो हो ही नहीं सकते हैं ना, because ही तो अभी भी आए हैं. So the person who is selected is none other than Tamanna Thakur! Now please welcome the parents. Come now, please do join us. Keep clapping. आइए. स्टार्टर बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको. राइट, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो नाम आपको. ओके, नाम बैठिए. सर बैठिए. बी कंफर्टेबल. हाँ जी सर. मैं एक चीज आपको बताना चाहती हूँ. मुझे ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट रिमेम्बर कि तमन्ना को कितना टाइम हुआ है एकेडमी में. कितना टाइम? ओके, शी वाज हियर फॉर 12 months course and she got her selection within 5 months. Right? So that's a very great thing. Congratulations. And you must be wondering, she's selected with which airline? ये तो सभी को पता है, right? And she's selected as?
Cabin crew.
Yes, she's selected with Air India as a cabin crew. So she will be the next Australian who will be flying 6 continents across the world. Wow, that's beautiful. And कुल्लू मनाली से अभी तक जितने भी बच्चे हमारे पास आए हैं, almost everybody got selected. Okay, so thank you so much beta for adding another feather in our hat. ठीक है कि कुल्लू का एक और बच्चा आया. कुल्लू का नाम लेते मुझे वो मनीषा ठाकुर याद आ गई. Okay, she's there. So there are many those who got selected from here, right? So we are very happy for you. So let's continue further with the bouquet ceremony. Okay, so Tamanna, congratulations once again, beta. God bless you. God bless you. And we have got many selections, लेकिन उनका सेरेमनी थोड़ा बाद में है. लेकिन जो एक पर्सन है जिनकी फैमिली ने हमें यहाँ ज्वाइन किया हुआ है, so please put your hands together for that one person. Please वो इंसान अपने पैरों को संभाल के रखे, उसके पैर धीरे धीरे आगे आ रहे हैं. Okay, and she is Please come to join us. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Congratulations, ma'am. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको. Okay, so Yelka के reference से आया था मिष्टी. Yelka is from Vikas Nagar, Dehradun, and Mishti is also from Vikas Nagar. विकास नगर देहरादून से अभी तक जो भी बच्चे हमारे पास आए हैं, नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम विकास नगर, जितने भी बच्चे देहरादून से आए हैं, एवरीबडी गॉट सिलेक्टेड. एंड आई रियली डोंट नो व्हाट इज द रिलेशन ऑफ देहरादून पीपल एंड एयर इंडिया. एवरीबडी इज गोइंग इनटू एयर इंडिया, राइट? सो शी इज आल्सो a crew with Air India, and they both are joining. They have got their joining dates. Okay, so we are here today to celebrate their success journey. कुछ और भी हैं, they are smiling, ma'am we are the next. Yes, of course you are. Okay, and बेटा आपका सिलेक्शन कितने टाइम में हुआ है? 10 months. Okay, so this is what we always say कि अगर आप sincere हैं, dedicated हैं, आपका सिलेक्शन for sure होगा. Right, and that's a very big thing that you are getting your selection, you are fetching it within 12 months time. 12 months का आपका diploma course है, and you are getting your selections done before that. So thank you so much beta for bringing selections, right, and for proving to the people कि Oscar H is the one place जहाँ पर selections genuinely होती है, right? So congratulations beta. Okay, now the time is here. You might know them, but you don't know their journey, right? Their learnings. So let's listen from them one by one. और उसके बाद हम family से कुछ सुनेंगे. So we will start with Mishti, of course, then Mishti. Okay.
Hello everyone. As you know, I soon gonna be part of Air India, and for that I want to thank my mentors, parents, and my friends. Thank you very much, Raina ma'am, to believe in me and taught me many things. Before coming here, I was really a shy and an introvert person. I don't know how to come out and talk to others, but Raina ma'am taught me many things. She believed in me. After she believed me, I thought that there will be something in me. So I started believing in me, and here I am today. So thank you so much, Raina ma'am, for that. Thank you so much for taught me many things. And I want to thank my parents, mommy, papa, for understanding me every time and always supports me. I also want to thank my friends Asta for coming here with me in Chandigarh. Because of that, she became my second family and never make me feel lonely. And Niharika, Sumya, Nidhi, everyone, thanks so much. Yes ma'am, they will soon join me.
बस और क्या कहूँ, इतनी खुशी हमारे बच्चे को हो गया बस. सब कुछ बड़े और बोलना नहीं आता.
अपना ऑस्कर के सभी स्टाफ को धन्यवाद. मैंने जैसे अपना बच्चा आपके पास छोड़ा था, हमें ये भी नहीं पता था क्या बनना है. आजकल बहुत कंपटीशन है देहरादून में, तो बहुत सारे कंपटीशन है, बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूट खुले हैं. लेकिन जब मेरी बेटी ने मुझे बोला कि मुझे ऑस्कर ज्वाइन करना है, तो मैं मैडम आपसे मिला था, सर से मिला था. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने हमारी बेटी को अपनी बेटी की तरह समझा. और विद इन टाइम इनका प्लेसमेंट हुआ है. जो आपने कहा था 10 महीने के अंदर मेरी बेटी का प्लेसमेंट हुआ है, तो ये सब कुछ आपने सिखाया है. हम तो छोटे से शहर के आते हैं, हम इतना पता नहीं, लेकिन सभी बच्चों को आप सभी बेटियां उम्मीद रखना. ऐसे गार्जियन की तरह आपको मैडम मिली है, सभी स्टाफ मिला है. आप सबका आगे की शुभकामनाएं. आप सबको धन्यवाद. मेरी बेटी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबका.
My advice is just that believe in everything ma'am is say. Don't think that it is wrong or right, because ma'am know everything, I believe. Just trust ma'am and follow all the guidelines. I always within the guidelines. That's why I'm here, and I believe all you will be there here soon.
So Mishti, thank you so much,
Thank you
darling.
so much, ma'am.
Love you, and congratulations.
Hello guys, as you all know, my name is Tamanna Thakur and I'm from Himachal Pradesh. Today is really a very big day for me because this is all what I want. I would like to thank to my mentors, especially Raima ma'am, love you so much. Because of you I am here today. You always support me, guide me. Thank you so much ma'am. And I would also like to thank my parents because of them today I am here. Thank you so much, Mummy, Papa, and to all my friends, Amrit, Mehak, and Aman. Thank you so much, guys. You always support me, motivates me. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And I want all of you to be here very soon, guys.
खुशी हो गई मैम.
बहुत और क्या होगी मैं बेटी सेलेक्ट हुआ
आप सब लोगों को बहुत धन्यवाद। आप सब आपकी मेहनत और जिससे जिनकी वजह से आज क्या नाम हो गया।
सर आपसे मिले हैं, आपका ना जो भरोसा जो आपने उस टाइम दिखाया था ना सर हम पर, आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू गॉड, सो थैंकफुल कि जो ट्रस्ट आपने दिखाया था वो ट्रस्ट सर हम पूरा कर पाए, और इसमें से बच्चे का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है। हम ये नहीं बोलेंगे सिर्फ हमारी वजह से हुआ है। द चाइल्ड वाज वेरी फोकस्ड एंड डेडिकेटेड, एक एक चीज फॉलो किया जो जो उसे बताया गया था। तो सर ये आपकी परवरिश है, ठीक है, कि बच्चे ने हर एक चीज को फॉलो किया। थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू। That's all from her side. So now, since you know, guys, that we have to proceed further with our cake cutting ceremony, but we'll take just a little break in between that. Okay, so till then, stay tuned with us. Thank you so much for joining us. Love you all.
Hello guys, as you all know, my name is Tamanna Thakur and I'm from Himachal Pradesh. Today is really a very big day for me because this is all what I want. I would like to thank to my mentors, especially Raima ma'am. Love you so much. Because of you, I am here today. You always support me, guide me. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I would also like to thank my parents because of them today I am here. Thank you so much, mummy, papa, and to all my friends, Amrit, Mehak, and Aman. Thank you so much, guys. You always support me, motivates me. Thank you so much.